Apple Incorporated is an American multinational technology company that designs, develops, and sells consumer electronics, computer software, and online services. The company was founded in 1976 by Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne, and has since grown into one of the most valuable and influential companies in the world. Apple's success can be attributed to its unique business model, which is built on a foundation of innovation, quality, and customer loyalty. The company's products are known for their sleek design, user-friendly interface, and cutting-edge features, which have helped Apple to carve out a unique position in the highly competitive technology industry. Product focus. Apple's business model is centered around a focus on high-quality, innovative products that are designed to meet the needs and desires of its customers. The company's flagship products include the iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple Watches, which are all known for their sleek design, user-friendly interface, and cutting-edge features. The products are making themselves so premium so people get attracted. Apple's product focus is built on a deep understanding of its customers' needs and desires. The company spends a significant amount of time and resources on market research and product development in order to ensure that its products are meeting the evolving needs of its customers. Ecosystem. Apple's business model also relies heavily on creating an ecosystem of interconnected devices and services. By designing its products to work seamlessly together, Apple is able to create a user experience that is unmatched by its competitors. For example, customers can easily access their music, photos, and documents across all of their devices, thanks to the integration of Apple's online services like iCloud, or if you are using MacBook and iPhone, then you can easily use them together and you can read your notification on your MacBook, or you can connect your Apple Watch to your iPhone or your MacBook. Vertical integration. Another key aspect of Apple's business model is its emphasis on vertical integration. This means that the company controls almost every aspect of the production process, from designing and manufacturing its own hardware and software, to developing its own operating systems and online services. This allows Apple to maintain strict quality control over its products and ensures that they work seamlessly together. This approach allows Apple to maintain strict quality control over its products and ensures that they work seamlessly together. By controlling every aspect of the production process, Apple is able to create a unique user experience that is unmatched by its competitors. Customer loyalty. One of the most important aspects of Apple's business model is its focus on creating customer loyalty. You saw that Apple make product very costly, but here the loyalty comes in. People don't care about money. You saw in recently Apple launch iPhone 14, which cost around $799 to $1,099 at the time of launch. But then it will some hype in price by offering high-quality products and a seamless user experience. Apple has developed a dedicated fan base of customers who are willing to pay a premium for its products. This customer loyalty has allowed Apple to maintain high profit margins, even in the face of stiff competition from other technology companies. Apple's focus on customer loyalty is built on a deep understanding of its customers' needs and desires, as well as a commitment to quality and innovation. Apple's hardware products generate the majority of the company's revenue thanks to their high profit margins and strong demand. However, the company's online services are also becoming an increasingly important source of revenue as more customers turn to digital content and services. Revenue streams. Apple's business model relies heavily on its various revenue streams. The company generates revenue through the sale of its hardware products, such as the iPhone and iPad, as well as through its online services, such as the App Store and Apple Music. Apple's marketing strategy is focused on creating a strong emotional connection with its customers by emphasizing the company's core values of innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction. This emotional connection has helped to create a strong brand identity and loyal customer base. Retail strategy. Another key aspect of Apple's business model is its retail strategy. The company operates over 500 retail stores in over 25 countries around the world, which provide customers with a unique shopping experience. Apple's retail stores are known for their sleek design, knowledgeable staff, and focus on customer service. This retail strategy has helped Apple to build a strong brand identity and create a loyal customer base. Partnerships. Apple's business model also relies on partnerships with other companies in order to expand its reach and capabilities. For example, the company has partnered with various banks and credit card companies to launch Apple Pay, a mobile payment service that allows users to make purchases using their iPhone or Apple Watch. Marketing and advertising. Apple's marketing and advertising strategy is another key aspect of its business model. The company's iconic advertising campaigns, such as the Think Different campaign, have become synonymous with Apple's brand identity. Apple's partnerships are carefully chosen to align with the company's values and objectives, and are designed to help the company expand its reach and capabilities in new markets.